All the biodegradable wastage that used to decay organic materials as a fertilizer for growing plants. Okay. So biodegradable wastage should be kept in a separate dustbin or basket. We can also use those wastage in the kitchen garden. Also, all the biodegradable wastage, we have to keep them in a separate dustbin. We have to keep them in a separate dustbin or in a separate basket. Biodegradable wastage helps to add natural substance to increase biodegradable wastage. It helps to add natural substance to increase fertility. Okay. The waste materials that do not decay for a very long time are called non-biodegradable wastage. These wastage should be kept in a separate dustbin. We can also recycle and reuse some waste materials. Okay, now let's talk about non-biodegradable wastage. Okay, other substance like glass, plastic, metallic cans or batteries which cannot be broken down easily by biological process. Okay, so these materials, they do not decay for a very long time. So these are known as non-biodegradable wastage. And the non-biodegradable wastage should be kept in a separate dustbin. We have to keep this non-biodegradable wastage in a separate dustbin. And also we can reuse or recycle some non-biodegradable wastage as well. Okay? Okay, now we should wear slippers while using a toilet. We should wash our hands with soap and water after using a toilet. We can use ash water if we do not have soap. We should flush the toilet properly after use. We should keep our toilet and bathroom neat and clean. As we all know that while entering or while visiting the toilet, we have to wear the slippers. Yes or no? We have to wear the slippers. And after using the toilet, we have to clean our hands with clean water and soap properly. We have already learned in our previous lesson also how to keep ourselves healthy, how to keep ourselves clean. Yes or no? After using the toilet, we have to wash our hands with a clean water and soap properly. We can use ash water if we do not have soap. After using the toilet, we have to flush the toilet as well, and we should keep our toilet and bathroom neat and clean. Toilet and the bathroom, it is also the part of our house, yes or no? We have to keep it is toilet and bathroom. It is the daily use. We have daily used to it, and so toilet and bathroom we have to clean. We have to keep our toilet, bathroom also neat and clean. Now we should dispose sewage and garbage properly. We should take a bath regularly. We should keep our house and its surrounding clean. Sewage is the waste water. It is the waste water coming from our kitchen, bathroom or the toilet. Okay, and garbage means it is unwanted materials or objects that people have thrown away, or it includes the waste materials that we throw away. Okay, so we should take a regular bath. It comes in our personal hygiene. We should take regular bath in our life. And lastly, we have to keep our house and our surrounding neat and clean. Why we should keep our homes or our environment clean? Because if we keep our environment or our surrounding clean, if we keep our environment or our surrounding clean, it helps to it helps in our health. So no, it helps us to live a healthy life. So we have to keep our surrounding and our environment clean. Also, if we keep our surrounding environment clean, it looks more beautiful and more attractive. So to make our house beautiful and clean, we have to first of all we have to clean our rooms or clean our houses and clean our all the surrounding to keep our house look more beautiful and attractive. We have to keep clean. So I hope you have gained some knowledge that how we can keep our house clean. I hope you will follow the lesson as well. Okay, now student, it's time for homework. I have given you the homework number on the board. You have to solve the question number 3 and question number 4. Okay, page number 131, question number 3 and 4. Question number, look in for 4 number. How can you clean your house? Write any 3 points. How can you clean your house? Write in 3 points. And number B, what are biodegradable wastes? Give any 2 examples. Now, what do you understand by the biodegradable wastes? And write 2 examples as well. And in C number, what are non-biodegradable wastes? And what do you understand by non-biodegradable wastes? Write it down and write its 2 examples also. And I have added 1 question as well. And in question number B, what are biodegradable wastes? And give 2 examples. Now, what do you understood by the biodegradable wastes? You have to write down and write down any 2 examples also. Okay. And in last is question number C. What are non-biodegradable wastes? And write any 2 examples. And also write down what are the non-biodegradable wastes and write any 2 examples. Okay. Now you can see here I have added 1 more questions for you. It is differences between a clean house and a dirty house. You have to write 3 or 4. How much you can write down the differences between a clean house and a dirty house. Okay. Okay, now students, all of you see question number 3. Just look there. There is given a figure. Okay, there is a figure, and in below there is questions as well. So you have, first of all, you have to look at that picture. Just look at that picture and you have to write the answer. Okay. In short, I will describe about that figure and you have to write your answer your own self. Okay. Now, in first we can see it is tell me it is a dirty house or a clean house. Yes, we can see here it is a dirty house. Okay, it is a dirty house, and we can see there is lots of dust particles that has thrown on the floor with unmanaged way. Yes or no? And there is a dog which was eating that on waste materials, and the boy due to the unmanaged waste materials, the boy has slipped in the peels of banana. We can see there. That's why due to unmanaged environment or unmanaged that dust particles, that boy has slipped in that banana's peel. And we can see the another boy as well. That man, he is covering his mouth. Why his nose? Why he is covering his nose? Okay, now also we can see there the another person in the pictures also. So look there, what he is doing? He is covering his nose. Yes or no? We can see there the person, the man, he is covering his nose. Why he is covering his nose? Because due to the dust particles, we can see there in the ground, we can see the dust particles or all the waste materials. Okay, due to the dust particles or due to the unmanaged wastage, it start to spread bad smell. Okay, it start to spread bad smell that causes air pollution as well. So the man was covering his nose, and the air pollution also harms to our students. This is the end of our today's class, and I have given you the homework also. So do your homework and learn at your home, and I hope you have learned about the biodegradable wastes and non-biodegradable wastes as well. So just learn at your home and also follow the instruction that we have learned in our today's class. And please send your homework in our Messenger or Max Connect app. Okay, now this much for today. Stay safe, stay at your home. Thank you.